my Scruffians. Welcome to Captain Scruffybeard channel, or not Captain Scruffybeard channel. Probably by next week you're gonna be confused because I'm gonna have more facial hair, the week after, or whatever. By next month I'll have more. But yeah, so I found these, and I didn't know these were happening. I live in M&M's. I want to do some candy reviews, and it's the Fudge Brownie. There we go. Pink, bright pink, red. We got the chocolate or the brown M&M on there. Surprised I didn't get Whoopi Goldberg to play her. It's probably too much. But yeah, 130 calories. Certain size. 3 cents. 1/3 pack. No one listens to that. Everyone's eats the whole pack. Does these look any different? Oh yeah, they'll look like the peanut M&Ms. Here's the green one. There you go. Do you smell different? They smell like the box of the world famous chocolates. This is definitely the thumbnail. But yeah. You know when you like sell the world's finest chocolates in high school? Like that's all you smell wherever you're storing it. I know, cause like all the crap, all we had when we did it in high school, we were selling it, and it was sitting in one room, and all you could smell, and it would just linger. I think that room permanently just smells like world finest chocolate now. But yeah, it's okay, there's someone behind me. Sorry, I'm just trying to keep an eye on what they're doing. Okay, sorry. I'm in a parking lot. But yeah, it's got like this cake batter consistency. I just can't taste. I have a feeling it shouldn't have been just like regular fudge. Like a Fudge Brownie. Like they should have just made, like, you know those comic cakes? That's what it tastes like. And actually, yeah, the more you get into it, like at first I thought I just tasted like the regular M&Ms, but it tastes like those comic cakes. Like, you know, the brownies with the sprinkles? Not sprinkles, little candies. It's basically what it is. If you're wondering why I'm on top of my head, I'm wearing a hat. Bright orange hat. That's all my food reviews are. Just dead silent. Yeah, it just tastes like a regular. It's actually pretty bad. Or, sorry, it's pretty good. It's not bad. wondering how the Baja Blast Zero Sugar tasted, check the iCard. Oh. Gosh dang it. Problems with shooting the car. You get me like a light ring. It was getting long. But yeah. Pretty decent. Give it an 8. It's a good movie theater food. You want to sneak in some candy. Pretty decent. They should have just done the parts. They didn't just wasted their time. Like, it's not bad, but it just tastes like a regular M&M. Like, at first it tastes of fudge, but it's not. They should have just made M&M fudge. So they should have done. And not made it into, like, candy form. Because now, like, it just doesn't. They should have done something else. Like maybe peanut butter fudge, but then you just have like the regular peanut butter candies. Maybe like a strawberry fudge. You did coffee nut, and then you need like a strawberry nut thing, or like strawberry coffee nut. Something weird. Like, that was a weird combination. But if you did strawberry fudge, it would have worked. It would have been different enough. It would have tasted different. But this just tastes like, I know I'm like popping it in, but it just tastes like regular M&M's. Not even worth it to get your pack of regular M&M's. Like, you give it an 8 because it's decent. Actually, I'm giving it a 7.5 because it tastes at first like fudge, and then just merges together, and all I can taste is just the chocolate. Like, it just tastes like chocolate, like regular M&M's. Just bigger. They honestly could just been like M&M's, regular, extra large. That's all. But yeah. See y'all later. Stay bearded, stay faithful. Peace.
Yeah,